Welcome everybody. We're from Vegas. It's crazy out here, y'all. Like, I'm not used to this many people. I'm used to gravel roads, not this concrete jungle. I don't think I'll make it in the city. I'm like going nuts over here, but there's lots of food to eat. You can get whatever the heck you want to eat here. Anyways, I digress. Today I'm coming at you to chat all about vehicle maintenance files. And so what I want you to do is I want to kind of just, I was having a meeting the other day with somebody who was doing, they were getting audited, and they're like, damn. Well, I'm going to walk through step. They're like, damn, we're getting audited. What do we need to do for vehicle maintenance files? And I was like, well, there's a couple things you got to do. One, you need to make sure you got all your maintenance receipts for all of your vehicles for last year. They're like, only a year? I was like, yep. And you got to have 14 months of annual DOT inspections.
How about a strip club tonight?
And, yeah, I hate duty stickers. I hate Vegas. I shouldn't say that. Vegas just isn't my town. I don't like big towns. But anyway, I digress. So you got to do, you got your maintenance receipts. You got to have annual inspections for like the last year and a half, 14 months, okay, in the file. Vehicle inspections for the last 30 days. 30 days DVRs for 30 days. 30, I think it's 30. Might be 45. Don't quote me on that bad boy, okay? And then after that, there's one more thing you got to do. It's the roadside inspections for the last year as well. So if you got roadside inspections for the last year, if the roadside inspection had issues, then you got to have DVIRs for those as well. Then you also got to have DVIRs and stuff like that. If you've got a problem, you have a roadside inspection that had an issue, you got to have a DVIR for that. A DVIR has to be signed if it has any problems with it. So you want to just be aware of all that, all right? Cool. Trying to think if there's anything else you guys need to know about vehicle maintenance files. Got to have a vehicle maintenance plan for all levels of vehicles. And you also got to have a vehicle maintenance log. Man, I think while walking upstairs is tough, y'all. Yeah, vehicle maintenance log can be as simple as a spreadsheet. It can be like, changed oil on this date, and this is who did it. You need to have receipts for each of the things that you put in there as well, okay? So those are the big things for vehicle maintenance log you need to know about. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Don't overthink it. Don't overcomplicate it. It's like the biggest thing I can tell you is that you don't want to overcomplicate it. So many people overcomplicate what they're doing when it comes to stuff, and that's just not what you want to do. Okay? All right, keep it simple, keep it rolling. Y'all need help? We got a membership that'll help you out. Dot.com. Catch you guys later.